Hey everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I have 6 tips for you on how to maintain and extend the life of your ceramic tile, your hard tile. This tile, you can usually find it in your kitchen, bathrooms, basements, hallways. My first tip for you will be to fix any cracked tile, any loose grout. Why do you need to fix this? If you walk on a loose tile, the chances of you breaking this tile are highly. Also, when you have loose grout, if you don't fix it, eventually we're just getting worse, and then your tile will get damaged. My other tip for you will be to dust, mop, to sweep your tile. When you're doing this, if you're doing it in the kitchen, please don't forget to go around your appliances, because many times we don't see it, but you have a lot of built up in between your stove or refrigerator. You need to make sure you sweep that to get all the dust out. My next tip will be to spot cleaning. Sometimes we spill drinks, oil in our kitchen, anything. We need to clean that right away, because if we don't clean it right away, with the time it's just going to build up and it will be harder to clean. The other tip, spot cleaning won't take care of your entire tile. You need to do a wet mopping. Doing a wet mop will allow you to clean the entire area and make sure you remove all the soiling. When you're doing wet mopping, please use a neutral cleaner with the water. And when you're mopping your floors, please remember that you have to rinse your mop. Make sure you go over a few times until you don't see a lot of soiling in the water. Next tip will be to do at least every 2 years a professional cleaning. Hire a cleaning company to do an steam cleaning on your tile. And the last tip, which is one of the most important, when you're hiring someone to do a professional cleaning, or if you have a brand new tile installation done, you should go ahead and get a sealer applied to your grout lines. You don't have to do it on the tile, because most of the time that smooth surface won't allow the sealer to bond into the tile, but grout, it's porous and it will absorb anything that you spill. Having a sealer applied on your grout will prevent the grout from staining. But those are basically my 6 tips for you. Fix any crack, dust mopping, spot cleaning, wet mopping, professional cleaning, and then the application of the sealer. And if you need any help with the professional cleaning part, please give us a call here at Rodriguez Cleaning Services. We can assist you. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you. Bye.